In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a digital stamp to a document in Microsoft Word. Adding a digital stamp is a great way to mark documents as approved, confidential, draft, or paid. It can also help make your documents look more professional and clearly communicate the status of the file. Let's get started. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Once your document is open, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. In the Insert tab, look for the Shapes option and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear showing different shapes and lines that you can add to your document. Next, scroll down and choose a shape that you want to use as your stamp. Many people use shapes like rectangles, ovals, or stars for stamps. Click on the shape you prefer, then click and drag on the document to draw the shape where you want the stamp to appear. After inserting the shape, you can add text to it. Simply click inside the shape and type the text for your stamp, such as approved, draft, confidential, or paid. Once the text is added, you can adjust the font style, size, and alignment using the formatting tools in the Home tab. Now let's make the stamp look more realistic. Click on the shape to select it, then go to the Shape Format tab that appears on the ribbon. From there, you can change the shape fill color and the shape outline. Many digital stamps use a red outline with no fill color, but you can customize the appearance however you like. If you want to make the stamp slightly transparent, you can adjust the transparency settings so the text behind the stamp is still visible. This helps create a professional-looking watermark-style stamp. You can also rotate the stamp slightly to give it a more natural stamped appearance. To do this, click the Rotate handle at the top of the shape and drag it left or right until the stamp is tilted the way you want. And finally, drag the stamp to the exact position where you want it in the document. You can place it at the top, in the center, or across the page depending on the style you prefer. And that's it. You've successfully added a digital stamp to your Microsoft Word document. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next tutorials.